In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 error 403 and get your Autodesk cloud connection working again. This error can be confusing because Fusion 360 might suddenly stop syncing, opening projects, or accessing cloud data, and all you see is a message saying error 403. The good news is that this issue is usually easy to fix once you understand what causes it. I'll walk you through the most common reasons this error appears and the exact steps you can take to solve it quickly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips and troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's quickly understand what Fusion 360 error 403 actually means. Error 403 is a server response that means access is denied. When Fusion 360 tries to connect to Autodesk cloud services, it sends a request to Autodesk's servers. If something goes wrong with authentication or the connection, the server blocks that request and returns the 403 error. There are a few common reasons why this happens. One of the most common causes is an account authentication issue. Sometimes your Autodesk login session expires or becomes invalid. Another possible cause is a network problem, such as a firewall blocking Fusion 360 from connecting to Autodesk servers. VPNs or proxy connections can also interfere with cloud authentication, and in some cases, the issue can simply happen because Fusion 360 needs to refresh its connection with the cloud. Now let's go step by step through the fixes that usually solve this problem. The first and most effective fix is to sign out and sign back into your Autodesk account. Open Fusion 360 and look at the top right corner where your account profile appears. Click on your profile icon and choose the option to sign out. Once you are signed out, close Fusion 360 completely. After that, open Fusion 360 again and sign back into your Autodesk account. This refreshes your authentication token and reconnects your account with Autodesk cloud services. In many cases, this alone fixes the error 403. The next step is to restart Fusion 360 if you haven't already done so. Sometimes the software simply needs a fresh launch to reconnect to Autodesk services. Close the application fully, wait a few seconds, and then open Fusion 360 again. Another important thing to check is your internet connection. Fusion 360 relies heavily on cloud services, so if your connection is unstable or restricted, you may see this error. Make sure your internet is working properly and try loading a website to confirm the connection is stable. Next, check if you are using a VPN or proxy service. Some VPNs can block or reroute the connection to Autodesk servers, which can trigger the 403 error. If you have a VPN enabled, temporarily disable it and then restart Fusion 360 to see if the issue disappears. You should also check your firewall settings. Sometimes security software or a network firewall may block Fusion 360 from accessing the internet. Make sure Fusion 360 is allowed through your firewall so it can communicate with Autodesk cloud services. Here's a quick tip to remember. Fusion 360 error 403 usually appears when the software cannot properly authenticate your Autodesk account with the cloud. That's why signing out and logging back in is often the fastest and easiest fix, and that's it. Now you know what Fusion 360 error 403 means and how to fix it step by step. If this video helped you solve the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.